Hi, my name is Prieto. I'm an attorney here at the Nieves Law Firm, and today I'm going to be talking about a specific case result that I was able to acquire on a misdemeanor child endangerment and abuse of a spouse matter out of the county of San Joaquin. The background facts of this case involved a matter in which police were called out to a particular property after there was a call from the alleged victim indicating that they had been physically assaulted by their live-in partner at the time, and that their child was also assaulted by that live-in partner. That resulted in a thorough investigation in which the police determined our client had done and committed these acts and subsequently arrested him. When this matter appeared before the court, it was initially a felony matter, and then it was reduced down to a misdemeanor after we were able to show that the facts of the case weren't enough to warrant a felony matter, and so the matter was then dropped down to a misdemeanor. Regardless of it being a misdemeanor, it is a very serious case in that these domestic violence cases, if you end up pleading to them, they will result in a substantial effect to your right to bear arms. And that is a big consideration for some clients that have hobbies such as going to the gun range or even owning weapons. And so for this instance, we have to still take it just as serious, even though it was reduced down from a felony matter down to a misdemeanor matter. Now, in this case, there were facts that weren't necessarily matching what the body-worn camera had shown. Additionally, the victim in this case was in a position in that they were recanting their statements and indicating that they had felt pressured by the police in order to give the statements that they had given. Additionally, that their child had not been entirely truthful of what had occurred. The strategic approach that I took in this case was one of coming to the DA and presenting a counteroffer. In the resolution, that would be a sort of deferred entry of judgment where the client could end up obtaining a sentence that would only be imposed on him and a plea that would only be imposed on him if he was unsuccessful with the terms of the diversionary sentence. So after speaking to the DA on various occasions and also having her sit down and speak to the alleged victim in this case, we were able to resolve this matter for a deferred entry of judgment resolution. And in this instance, the client was going to have to attend anger management classes, financial classes, acquire Medi-Cal for his family, and also just continue to have a happy, healthy relationship and go to counseling with their partner. This allowed them to get the support system that they needed in order to be a successful family and overcome these hurdles that they may have been having as a result of anger management issues. This allowed the client to still remain in the home, continue to provide for his family, but at the same time get the support that he needed to fix any issues that may have led to the incidents for which he was arrested for. At the end of the time period, which was a total of 6 months, the client's matter was dismissed and the matter was dropped. And so this also protected his criminal record in that he did not have a conviction. And so this is a great win for him because it maintained a clean record for him in regards to conviction. If you have any further questions in regards to these topics, please don't hesitate to give us a call here at the Nieves Law Firm.